been ascertained that lots of car owners usually complain about engine problems. Of course, crises cannot be separated in this regard. That is why we have taken a turn in this direction to discuss engine misfires. Hello viewers, great moments to be with you all on another interesting and informative episode of Auto Expert, your guide to safety. I am Latifat Ajao Gbadamosi. I'm not alone today on the show. I have with me my co-host, the beautiful Hilda Shaibu, as she will be taking you through other segments. We will be back shortly. Don't touch that dial. Welcome back as I take you through what an engine misfire means. Firstly, an engine misfire is caused by a list of faults, but the primary occurrence are a simple spark, flow of fuel, plug wires, coil, and fuel delivery system. Secondly, an engine misfire is a situation where the car's engine skips one of its processes during combustion cycle. This can actually cause the car to jerk or buck. Now let's look into how serious an engine misfire can be. An engine misfire can cause bad plug and also an imbalanced air or fuel mixture. Hence, driving with a misfire is bad and can damage your engine.
I'm Engineer Dantasa Beckett Raymond, an auto engineer. I'm here to discuss today about engine misfire, which is called cylinder misfire. The meaning of cylinder misfire is that when an engine is working below expected performance. What are the expected performance? In an engine, we have what we call revolution per minute, which is RMP. An engine is expected to be on minimum of 650 to 700 or 850 RMP. Anything below that results to engine misfire. The three major causes of cylinder misfire: one is bad spark plug, bad ignition coil, and blocked injector, which we call nozzles. These are the three major causes of cylinder misfire, which is engine misfire. And in this situation, if these three are not treated, we cannot get a perfect work on it. Whereby, when a car is working below performance, it consumes excess fuel. How do one know that cylinder is misfiring? Is when your engine is generating vibration, whereby it means that the engine is not working properly. And the risk of this is that the engine on the highway can go off unexpectedly. And in this situation, it has to be attended to and well put in order by good technicians to work on.
Every component in the car has its own function, as they are there just so you can enjoy that maximum comfort while driving. But if not well maintained, you will definitely be spending more money on repairs. Take for example, the gearbox oil. When do you need to change your gearbox oil? The gearbox oil color has to be slightly red at all times. But if you hear a grinding noise in the clutch, this is a clear indication that your gearbox is faulty. This is where we get held up in traffic on today's episode. I hope you join me again next week. I am Latifat Ajao Gbadamosi. Keep watching Auto Expert. It's your guide to your safety. Don't forget, the fight against COVID-19 is still on, guys. Follow the rules, stay safe.